Hey guys, I'm back with another slime video. So here's my slime. So I'm going to take this out of the container. Now I'm going to center this. This is a very stretchy slime. So if you don't mind, I'm going to change the camera angle. And here I am. So I'm going to... So you can see how stretchy it is. Okay, I'm going to set this flat, okay? Now I'm going to make this slime go to you. It's amazing, isn't it? So now I'm going to change the camera angle again. I'm so sorry. But I just hope you don't mind. I know my camera angles are really bad, but I'm going to work on them. This is very fluffy slime. I added too much lotion. Now it's too soft, but now it's more stretchy. But I don't recommend putting that much lotion because it just might ruin your slime. I'm so sorry if I'm talking too much in this video, so I'll stop talking for 2 minutes and I'll explain to you how I made this. This is actually butter slime too. So I'm just gonna get a random pencil. Oh my gosh, I thought it sticks. Okay, I see. Now I'm gonna do this. So that is also my butter slime. I'm so sorry if I'm talking too much. And I promised that I wouldn't talk for 2 minutes. But I just had to because this is butter slime. And why not? And plus I have too much energy on me. So I hope you don't mind me talking so much. So this is my fluffy slime. Fluffy, stretchy slime. And I'm just going to play with it. I'm not necessarily sure like how to, but like I'm just going to anyway. So here's my slime. Now I'll stop talking and you can just enjoy the poking and the stretching and hearing the bubbles pop. So it's gonna start in 3, 2, 1, begin. mission complete. I have been silent for 2 or 1 minute. And did you guys enjoy those pokings? So that's going to be the end of this video. Subscribe and comment down below on Keeper Squad. And then comment down below your name so I can give you a shout out in the next slime video. And you can be in my notification squad. Just comment comment hashtag notification squad for the Asian one. And I'll hit you up and I'll see if you've done it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next slime video, which is going to be in 30 minutes because I don't have time for tomorrow. I can post it tomorrow, but I don't have time for tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's slime video. Peace.